Hello. Today we are going to be talking about our company expansion to Italy. We are opening up a Starbucks in Italy, and I felt it was important to discuss the business culture and a few points on the local culture of Italy before we open our shop over there. First impressions are extremely important to the Italian culture. Clothing and your appearance are likely what you will be judged based off of first and foremost. Italians always expect nice dress, even if you are just, quote, popping to the shops. Italians also wish each other good day and good evening when parting or meeting, and kiss each other on the cheek when there is an established relationship. It is important to use their common phrases and dress appropriately to make a good first impression. Eating and dining is a very important part of the culture. You must wait for your host or hostess to eat before you do. Italians also take status and hierarchy very seriously and give huge amounts of respect to older people and people in positions of power. Overall, Italians are very focused on respect of those around you, whether waiting for your meal or giving respect to your boss. Building close relationships and having connections is very important in Italy's business world. Even knowing someone who is well connected will be beneficial for your business. Exchanging business cards is a common practice, but it is important to make sure it is printed in Italian on the back if it is not on the front. Gift giving is also a common practice, but it is polite to only give a gift after you have received one and without your business name or logo. Meeting etiquette starts first and foremost with punctuality. Punctuality is expected and necessary to make that good first impression. Make sure to shake hands when meeting someone for the first time, and business meeting dress should be nice suits for both men and women. Italians appreciate constructive conflict and won't hold back in business meetings. It is important to note that you should not try to schedule meetings in August and during Catholic festivities. Meetings can sometimes occur over long lunches, which can last up to 3 hours. For most large businesses in Italy, the typical workday runs from 8:30 or 9 a.m. to 6 or 6:30 p.m. This includes an hour or two for lunch in the middle. This would differ from what our store hours would be, but align with our office hours. The language in Italy is Italian. 93% of the population speaks Italian. It is a Romance language that aligns closely with Latin in vocabulary. When learning the language, most Americans struggle with the pronunciation. That being said, it is not a super difficult language to learn, and it will come easier once you live in Italy, as most Italians communicate with facial expressions and hand gestures. The currency in Italy is the euro, the official currency of the European Union. For reference, 1 euro is $1.17 in the US. They have the same amount of coins and banknotes, which are their dollar bills, such as 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, etc., and the same goes for banknotes. Luckily, their currency system is generally quite similar to ours, so this should not be a difficult transition for taking transactions in our stores. If you have any questions, please use this email on the screen, and thank you for listening to this presentation.